This video reviews various CAD's cutting techniques. First, use the default AutoCut settings to cut the part. Note the cutting entry. There are different entry and exit types in CAD. This section demonstrates how to use them. Uncheck Use Technology table for entry and exit and define the properties. Note the holes and the part sections. To change the cutting parameters and reprocess the part, you do not need to delete the old cuts. Just check Delete Old before running for parts and holes. You can create various types of entries and exits. This section demonstrates how to treat corners in AutoCut. In the corner treatment section, check the Global Cut option. Go to the Global Cut tab, activate loops, define the size, and click Run. Note how loops were added only to outward corners in order to protect the part. Next, select the rounding option. Activate it and define its size. CAD rounds all the 90 degrees or smaller corners. Activate the Slow option and define the distance before and after the corner. The color of the cut indicates speed changes. Change the max angle to 40 degrees. Now the cutting speed does not slow down for corners larger than 40 degrees. This section demonstrates how to cut open contours using colored lines. Note that CAD does not process the open contours. Go to Edit, select Change Attribute, and define the color for each open contour. Go to the Technology tab, and in the Open Colored Contours section, choose colors for both engrave and cut. CNC CAD cuts one of the open contours and engraves the other. This section demonstrates 3 ways to treat undersized holes. In the Technology tab, select Point Marking, Pierce, or None. This section demonstrates how to create micro joints and wire joints. In the Part Handling tab, activate the Holes and Parts sections. You can define different parameters for different sizes of parts and holes. Note how the smaller holes have one wire joint and the bigger one has 2.